Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this guy. This is the Wybot Osprey 700 Max completely cordless, rechargeable pool cleaner. It will vacuum your pool. It will scrub your pool. It will clean the floor. It will clean the walls. It will clean your water line. All in this nice, small, lightweight package. You can see the fact that I'm holding it here while I'm doing this review tells you that it's very easy to move around. It weighs just under 18 pounds by itself, and so it's easy to pick up, carry it where you need to. You have this nice little handle right here to get it where you need to go. You turn the power button on, drop it in the pool, and off it goes. And it's an excellent cleaner. Now, during this review, I'm going to be cutting into footage of this in action, both underwater and above water, so you can kind of see how it works in the pool and see how great it does of a job of cleaning the pool, scrubbing the pool, picking up debris off the bottom of the pool floor, cleaning the walls and the water line. Let's talk about the features of this robot by Wybot. It has a 15,000 mAh battery. That's a really large battery. So it's going to run for about 2.5 hours on a cycle. And now to fully charge that battery takes about 5 to 6 hours, but you can charge it in about 3 hours enough to get a pool cleaning, which is really, really great. A lot of great features. It has a really large filter basket on the inside. That filter basket, really fine mesh, so it'll trap and hold sand and dirt and rocks and leaves and all kinds of garbage and hold that. But it also has these great scrubbers. You can see right here, it has these great scrubbers. These are spinning and scrubbing your floor, scrubbing your wall, and your water line as well. Now, a couple of things I really love. It has an app. If you connect this to the app, then you can go in the app and you can set your pool style. You can let it know what kind of pool do you have, what's the shape of your pool, what's the surface of your pool, and it will change the way it cleans accordingly. And then you can also choose different patterns. You can go into advanced mode and you can change the pattern of how it cleans in order to get the best pattern for you. Now, by default, it's going to use its intelligent system and the sensors that are built into it in order to do the best cleaning as it sees fit, but you can go in and change that on your own, which is really great that you can connect this with the app and then control it. You can also set it to either clean just the floor, just the walls, or the walls and the floor. Whatever you want to do, you can change that mode inside the app, so that's great. Once you drop this in the pool and get it going, it's going to do a great job. It's going to clean the floors. These scrubbers on the front will scrub the floors. Then it will climb the walls. It'll scrub the walls. It cleans the water line. One thing I like about this, it doesn't just go up to the water line, like barely touch it and then drop right back down. It stays up at the water line so that it really scrubs the water line for a good amount of time and makes sure it's really cleaning that water line, which is great. It's got these great traction, so when it needs to turn, it turns very, very efficiently. I mean, it can turn stop and then turn completely different direction and then keep going. It's got a 65-watt motor, so it is really pulling water through there. It is really sucking stuff up, making sure it can pick up all the debris, the leaves, the dirt, the things that end up on the bottom of your pool floor and trap them in that large filter basket so that when it's done, your pool is nice and clean. Now, when I was using it, I found that it would also climb up on the Baja benches I have in my pool, so it does climb up on those and clean the stuff off of those and get the water line above the Baja benches, and it did that with no problem at all. I just love the way this works. It's very simple to operate. It's very small and compact, yet very, very powerful. And that to me is why I really love it. The fact that I can have this small little pool robot, I can charge it up, I can drop it in the pool, set it to go, come back in 2.5 hours, and my pool is nice and clean. When it's done, you just use a little hook, you pull it up out of the pool, then you open it up, take that filter basket out. It'll be full of all the stuff that's in your pool. Take it over to the water hose, wash it out, and then it's ready to be put back in and ready to go the next time. So really, really cool product, works really great, cleans effectively and efficiently, and again, just really excellent product by Wybot. If you are looking for a way to keep your pool clean, it'll work for above ground pools, in-ground pools, works for all surfaces, whether you've got tile or Goodnight or whatever surface you have, it will work. Fiberglass works with all of them, works with freeform pools, square pools, whatever the shape of your pool, it will clean any pool. This is a really excellent product by Wybot, definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about the product, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.